Big up Crosses TV.
Frosty Steven, I can't take it out. I just can't take it. I go on with a bag of things. Sure.
Calligraphy. Watch it. Blood clot down. Blood clot down. Them have to eat you. Why you vex when the people them eat? Talk truths. You have to drink 2 beer with your friend. Your friend them. Time I make up. Talk truth. And then when you walk, you just walk and a wiggle so. Like a union wiggle diggler. Talk truth. If girl them eat it down, you can't say nothing about it down. You have to accept it cause if you're a big woman, you turn up, you know. From belly skin out a door. G-string cock up in her back. And girl a walk on a twist foot so like she not 20s. One of my friend them just away from so. Alright. I'm not jam here. I'm friendly fire. Sack shoot down. Yeah? Sack shoots. Sack shoot down. I think I do these things, you know, down for cause problem with you and the young girl them. Lord Jesus. I don't know. I don't know what my Christmas Tennessee. Young girl will not Christmas Tennessee. Yeah? We go on trending bad. Blood clot. I'm not give for doing this. Bomba clot down. Go down. Lord Jesus down. Then you have to stop this thing. And then you turn and vex down. With the young girl them eat you. Well, I can't help them. I'm going to try to help them safe. Whoa. Whoa. No, sir. Say I block them. Boy, them can't see me. Boy. Now go up on my friend. Go drink 2 beer on Sunday. Something at the backyard. And drink 2 beer with my nice friend. Beautiful good ass. Yeah? Hold on there. Hold on there down. Put your phone there so down. Them can't see it down. No, I get so much look lower. No, sir. John, you don't care about them outside. Put it so down. Start the shoot down. Start the shoot down. Sir, I'm going to block your way. Sorry about that. Start the shoot down. Them have to eat you. Come down. Walk up. Make you see again. Walk up, yeah. What do you expect? John, what you expect? Damn not. I sit together and eat you. And you cause it. You not take them man do down. You not borrow them money do down. No. Dan, you not wear them clothes do. No. I just beat them. I just why am I full on down again? Then keep your pass. No, sir. If you let them keep your pass, lie down. Take it through down. Take it through down. Take it through down. I who this so I come in. I won't name Chris. I won't name Chris now. No, sir. Chris, we don't know you the first. May I say your name, Chris? Chris, the first. May I say your name? Lord Jesus, Dan. Why you do it, Dan? Yeah? Jesus Christ. No, sir. If we catch all to look more cracked up, and that's summer here. Whoa, it's hot. It's hot. Dan, what you doing? Jesus Christ, Dan. If we never saw my G-string cock up on her back. Boy, me have to try it. May I see if I can show now. Lord Dan. Where them do it? No, sir. Dan. You know what you do, you know. Dan, you think you know what you do, you know. Boy. Lord. Show them the G-string part. So, showing them. I'm a Swiss beauty. Look at exercise too. Can't wait to get my own yard. I have my driveway. Yeah. Put my phone right there, so. Showing her down. Boy. Dan, you don't expect the people might eat you. Dan, if I stop it. Dan, if I stop it. Well, I can't stop it, you know. Oh, God. My mother was there. Jesus Christ. And when I walk, and I need it, you know. The foot them just a twist, so. And the body just a wiggle, so. Blood clot. Boy. Jesus Christ. So how me do it? Let me say how this again. Let me say how name Chris. Because Chris, as you come with the foolishness, the life done. Let me say how this. Dan. Yeah. Yeah, Dan. Boy. Lord, blood clot. No, Dan. Jesus Christ. Yeah, girl. Me. We don't like us so we can't get one car. Yes, Dan. Dan, why you do it? I know the people them stay. Dark night, midnight. Midnight. Midnight, I want know. Yeah? Chris, where you come out of my life? Is what now? Them send you, Chris? Eh? Chris, them send you? Boy, Jesus Christ. It's hot like fire. Boy. Chris, I got to watch it now. Snack you. Chris, let them send you, come. Huh? No, so it hot like fire out here. It's hot like fire out here. Hot like fire. Chris in the darkness. I tell me, afraid I don't pay no. Because if you don't pay me, I can't cry. Chris, where you want for my life now? Come, speak up. You get 2 seconds now for talk up where you want for my life. Yes, Dan.